Hello and welcome to my second video tutorial on XHTML and CSS. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create your first web page and your first XHTML code. So the first thing you're going to do is to open Notepad++ or whatever editor you use it and open the new page or create a new project in Notepad++. And the first thing you got to do is create some HTML tags. So to create HTML tags we will use less than symbol, type HTML and greater than symbol. So this is an HTML tag, and in XHTML whenever you open a tag you have to close it. So this is open HTML tag, and now we have to close it, and to close it we use this slash and then type HTML again, basically the same tag but we use a slash before. So now this is open HTML and closing HTML. Between HTML tags we're gonna type a few other tags more, which is title tag. We do the same thing, and here next we close it right away. And basically having this like this or you have it like this is very much the same thing. Doesn't need to be precisely in the same row or in the same line. I can have it like this. What is going to be important is whatever content is gonna between them, and as you will see, or I can do it just right now, I'm going to create here, you can write my first title. Okay, between the title tags, let me do that. I forgot to put the head tags. We had to put the head tags, and down here the body tags. Don't worry, you will get used to it. You will get used to these tags because you're gonna repeat it a lot of times. Whenever you create a web page from scratch you will create these tags. It is the first thing you need to do in creating a web page. So this is it. This is what you need to create a web page. Simple as that. This is the first step you need to do in a web page. So you need the HTML tags. Between the HTML tags you can create the head tags. Between the head tags the title tags, and after the head tags you create the body tags. Now between the body tags is going to be every single content of your web page. Okay, so if I type here my first web page and let's save this. You can copy as I'm doing here and try it as I'm gonna try it now in your computer, and I'm going to save this as, click save as. It is very important you have to choose here the HTML, but I can do it straight away in here. So make sure that you gonna save in directory you will remember. I'm going to create folder in my desktop as portal, and inside portal I'm going to create here first page dot html. This is the important thing that I want to show you, is first page or whatever name you want to your page, then .html. Every single web page must be .html, okay, otherwise it will not work. Now save it. As you can see right away, the notepad recognizes the code that it is the HTML code, so it is in blue. Tags are in blue and the contents is in black. So we have the content for a title, which is my first title. Then we have the body with some other content, which is my first web page. So let's see how it works in a browser. Now we have two ways to open in browser. You can run it in Notepad++. You have run icon here, and you can launch in Chrome or IE Internet Explorer, or you can launch it in Firefox, or you can go straight away to the file, which mine is in directory portal. Click it. Here it is. I can open it with Firefox, Chrome, Internet Explorer, or Opera. So I'm gonna try and open this with Opera browser, and here it is. The title appears, and here, as you can see, this is the title, and this title here, what appears here, the top of the page in the tab. Okay, now the rest of the content, the body is my first web page, appears in the body section, which is basically the whole page. Okay, I can still write here more things to come. Save it. I can go here and refresh it here, and you'll see that it changes. Let's change the title as well and see the difference, how to change more things. Save it, refresh, and there it is, more things. Okay, so now you create your first XHTML code and your first web page. Now you know how to open web pages after you code it, and now to put some title in your web page. Okay, this is very simple web page. Of course, we still have a lot to learn, but it is the basic beginning. Now in the next video, I'm gonna show you some more stuff about how to create colors and paragraphs and all that. So see you guys in the next video. I hope guys you understood this. If you don't understood, you can review the video or ask your question in the comment section below. Bye.